Okay, so if you've ever wondered, is it really bad to drop water into your float cup switch? You know, this is actually inside, and most people don't see this. I've never had to replace one, but you know, inside the machine is giving you the inside view. So if you did get some water down in there by accident, I've often wondered, man, am I gonna ruin this thing by accident if I was cleaning this and I didn't clean this out perfectly?
If I didn't dry it out perfectly.
Well, for the most part, I think your water is not really going to go down inside that little hole. It's somewhat shielded here, so just figured somebody might want to know that for a little peace of mind. So I'm glad to know it. There's a spindle inside that's part of the cabinet, and I probably should just show it. Let's see, right there. So water can't go down in there,
okay.
but you know,
I
you
see what you're saying,
you
yeah.
could actually put some water through the top. And so my concern earlier today, I cleaned one out, and I'm like, can I damage this if I don't let this dry off before? But this part is underneath. It's got that casing there that goes through, and then this covers it. So it looks like you would have to, you know, you would have to do something really crazy to actually get water in there and ruin this. So I'm glad for that. So good to know. And this always has this other cover over it, so it's got multiple kind of protections to keep things going.